Let's learn how to trim sounds on TikTok. If you want to choose which part of the sound to play in your video, but don't know how to do it, you don't have to worry about it anymore. Because after watching this video till the end, you will know how to do it. This tutorial is the same for both iPhone and Android devices. The first thing you need to do is open the TikTok app. When you open TikTok, you will be on the home page, but you don't need to be there. You need to be on the page where videos are recorded. And that page will open when you click on the plus sign located at the bottom in the middle. When that page opens, you will see several options. But out of all those options, you need to click on the add sound option located at the top of the page in the middle. When you click on that, a page with many sounds will open. On that page, you need to find the sound you want to trim. Once you have found that sound, you need to click on it. When you do that, the sound will play, and 3 options will appear. You need to click on the scissors icon because that is the trim option. When you click on that, a menu will open where you need to trim the song. To trim, you just need to scroll left or right until you find the part you want. TikTok allows you to trim it to 15 seconds. Once you select the desired part, you need to click on the Done option located at the bottom right corner of the screen. When you click that, it will take you back to the camera page. And now, if you start recording a video, that song will play in the background. And that's it. That was the tutorial on how to trim a sound on TikTok. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.